Alright, so we are in the passenger footwell of the car. There are going to be two little screws here and here. Go ahead and take those out counterclockwise. Once those are out, go ahead and take this foam liner out. It just pulls straight down. This is where the cabin air filter lives, so just push this tab to the outside of the body of the car. Sometimes this filter will drop right out, other times you do have to pull it out, like I have to do here. This is as dirty as it was after less than 1 year of being parked outside, just as an example. So here's the new one, inserting it in the same way that it came out. Sometimes you do have to push from one edge or the other in order to get it to slide up properly. Then you're going to want to grab the clip that you pulled out, make sure that it lines up with the tabs on the new cabin air filter, and then slide it in towards the middle of the car. Make sure it's in though, because like you can see like I just did, I didn't have the proper seal on it. So then just reseat it, check it again, and it's all good. If you don't make sure that it has a good seal, you might end up with a situation where it's leaking air, and it might seem like the heat or the air conditioning is not working, when really it's just the leaking cabin air filter. Go ahead and reinstall the foam liner, and then put the screws back in. This is easier with a camera or a mirror to help guide you.